It's great to hear that Shenseea has earned her first gold certification in the United States for her contribution to Kanye West's song, Pure Souls. This is definitely a significant milestone in her career, and it's impressive that the track reached gold status almost 2 years after its release. Shenseea's unique voice and talent have certainly added value to the song, and her haunting melodies and vocal runs have been appreciated by listeners. It's interesting to learn that Kanye West decided to include Shenseea in the album after watching her Hot 97 freestyle. Sometimes, unexpected opportunities like these can have a huge impact on an artist's career. It's also quite a story that Shenseea almost didn't make the cut for the album and only found out about her inclusion when the album was released. The fact that she ended up on 2 tracks must have been a pleasant surprise for her. Shenseea's hopes of collaborating with Kanye West again show her enthusiasm and respect for his work. Collaborations can be powerful ways for artists to expand their horizons and create something unique together. Furthermore, achieving gold certification in Canada for her track, Blessed, is another impressive achievement for Shenseea. It's clear that she's making her mark in the music industry and gaining recognition for her talent both in the US and internationally. It will be interesting to see how Shenseea's career continues to evolve and what other exciting opportunities and accomplishments lie ahead for her.